Hi guys, so I've got the SoundBot SB571, a portable Bluetooth speaker. I ordered it like 2 days back, and it's come in one day because of the Amazon Prime subscription, which is free right now. I think you should check it out. And it's arrived. It's in a very compact, solid feeling box, and it has a plastic wrap, which is like quite tough to remove. And and it's got the MRP is written to be 3,990, but I got it for a good price of 1,699 from Amazon. And month of manufacture November 2016, month of import December 2016. So if you didn't know, this SoundBot company has been founded from funds got by Kickstarter. So it's a pretty innovative company, I feel. And when I first saw the ratings of the speaker, I didn't know about this, but still it was very popular on Amazon and even Amazon.com as well as .in. So I decided to go for this speaker system. And yeah, it's got a 40 mm large speaker driver, 6-watt loudspeakers, 6-watt plus there are two speakers, 33 feet of wireless range on the Bluetooth, and 1,000 milliampere rechargeable lithium-ion battery. And it shows the battery display, battery level indicator only on the iPad and the iPhone. Dimensions are 6 inches by 2 inches by 1.6 inches, and the box is like 7 inches by 2.5 inches. So it's a pretty compact box. So let's open it up, see how it looks. So you can see for scale, it's a small Swiss Army knife which I got here. See the size of the box. And it's written made in China, but the company is based in the US, I think. So pretty much like Apple, but it's a tiny small company. So let's open it. So this is how it looks. Very neat packaging. It's a plastic casing here, hold it in place. It's fine, it looks decent. It's wrapped in plastic as well, and there's a notch for you to pull it out. That's good. So it's a cardboard separation there, and this is, I guess, the USB charging point, the micro USB at the other end. And yeah, this is the wire connection. And there's a little black quick start guide and user manual. Looks nice. It looks stylish actually, with silver text and black paper. So that's it, guys. If you'd like to see the speaker itself, wow, this looks pretty classy. It's got a matte-ish sort of finish, but it's not matte exactly. Buttons have a nice click. It's a little bit hard, but having buttons is a great thing for a small speaker like this, rather than everything being in software. Just look at this, guys. see the sheen there, and it's, you can see the design of the thing, speaker. Although when you look at it directly, it's not very apparent that there's a design there. Only when you look sideways or through the camera that it looks, this design is seen. It's a nice crisscross design. And there are two 40mm speakers. I can see this on either side, and I think this is a passive subwoofer. There's an input port here. This is the charging point. There's the on-off switch. Let me play a song. Let's try it out. Let me just switch it on. Makes a nice loud beep. And there's a flashing light here, blue light. So it looks like it's charged a little bit. Let me pair it. Pairing it on a MacBook Air. So let's pair it. It's appeared immediately on the list of Bluetooth devices. It's trying to pair right now. Yes, it's done it in like 5 seconds. So that's pretty good. And now there's a beep which indicates the pairing on the speaker side. And let me play a song if I can. So I'm going to play Sam Smith's Writing on the Wall from Spectre movie. Let's see how the sound is. I like this song. I've been